type of woman got her ass like, oh shit. And maybe I can come over and set a drink up on your ass like a coffee or a soda. Am I immature? Because I never seen it. Cause I brought the soda like you know I'm friends with Keenan. And when my exes hear this, they gon' be all jealous and shit. I got my medals, baby, I don't need you embellishing shit. I'm off your level, baby, you cannot reach heaven and shit. God, please forgive me, man, you know I had to embarrass this shit. I'm speechless. I don't have a speech, I have a poem. I hope all of my exes know they whore. Yeah. I'm speechless. I don't have a speech, I have a poem. I hope all of my exes know they whore. I think that's as straight as the point I can get right. I hope you gain some sense in 2020 and stop begging that man for all his pennies. You say you never needed me, then call me for the D. You say that vibrator a beast. What happened?